Ray here, and we are checked in right now at Forest Lodge, Camp John Hay. So, kunya-kunyaring turista tayo ngayon. I'm checked in here for free because my mom won a golf award sa raffle. Wow! Ng free Deluxe room good for two. Nag-check-in ako kanina lang around 2 p.m. And then, Mama will check in with me. She's gonna arrive tonight. I've been here several times before, just by the lobby though, eating at the restaurant or having coffee. But it's my first time to actually check in the hotel. So far, okay naman. It's really good. It's so comfy. Service is great. I just had one problem. Last week, I went to inquire to book today. And then the receptionist said that she's still gonna check with the management because apparently she wasn't sure if she should credit my gift certificate or not. Pero kasi it already states there that it's valid as long as there's a seal and signature of the management, which the gift certificate had. She took my email and my contact number, and then days passed already. I never received any confirmation email or text messages or call or whatever. So I assumed that we did not get the booking. It's a good thing that me and my mom thought of just coming here and assuming that we booked the hotel, even if we did not receive any confirmation. By the way, I also sent them a follow-up and they did not respond nor even seen my message. We were kind of frustrated, but so yeah, I went to check in today. The receptionist said, "Yes, ma'am, you're booked." And then I said I didn't even know that I was booked because I never got the confirmation. So yun, buti na lang. We assumed that we're checked in and we got the room. Aside from that, so far the service has been great. I didn't see the receptionist I talked to last week. So this is the room as usual. Meron key card and then the switches. May full body mirror dito. Restroom. My slippers, an umbrella that we could use, hangers. Yung ref, as you can see, my juice, my Coke, my water, my beer, sodas. This is the trash can. So there's a trash can dyan. Sink with hot and cold water. Then, what's this? Mini bar. So these are their prices. Okay, new food. We have some sockets over there. May switch ulit. Okay for that light. Go up here. Cup noodles. Cabinets. More cabinets. Okay, 2 beds. This is the deluxe room, by the way. So merong 2 beds. TV there. Meron din silang free Wi-Fi, no password needed. So, a telephone, notepads, and pencil. Strictly no smoking dito, guys. So another work area, work table. This is my key card, extra key card. And then this is the veranda. Naka-generator daw sila kasi walang kuryente. So, this is how it looks like. Ang ganda. You can see here, that is the entrance of our lodge out there. So that's the roundabout. That's a function hall up there. Forest view. Camp John Hay Commissary. That's their generator. Yan. Ganda. So peaceful. This is gonna be my work area for today. This is how the outside looks at night. There's Inay. Ma. We're gonna have dinner downstairs. It's a Monday night.
The next day.
Good morning! So I'm alone here right now. Mama left early for a golf game. And yeah. So I'm just gonna work here the whole morning until checkout. The checkout is 11 a.m. These are the room rates, by the way. So I asked for it last night, just in case you guys wanna know. Ayan. So this is actually their current rates, October 2023. They said it'll change on November and December. But if you book online within the month, you'll get, until the 19th of October, you'll get 50% off. So what we have here is the deluxe room, 7,610. But again, we're lucky enough to have it for free. Thank you, Forest Lodge, and whoever sponsored the raffle. Okay, bags are packed and ready to go now. Check out na.